Did you know that Taiwan makes award-winning chocolate? It happens here at the Fu Wan Chocolate Farm in Pingdong, southern Taiwan. Carl Thielen has the report.
Fu Wan is one of only a handful of chocolate companies worldwide that specialize in tree-to-bar production. And everything from growing the cacao beans to packaging the bar that you buy in a shop happens right here on this chocolate farm. Let's talk to the owner, Warren Xu, for more.
I was a chef and I sourced local ingredients to make local cuisine. One day a farmer came to me and said, we have a bunch of cacaos, but we don't know how to make them into chocolate. Since then I started to do experiments about fresh cacao pods, how to make them into chocolate. It's so much fun playing with fresh cacao pods, so it turns out to be a professional chocolate brand.
Mr. Xu tells us how he makes his award-winning chocolate.
So we collect the fresh cacao pod and then we break it, take out the pulp, collect them into the wooden box, let it ferment for about 6 days. Then we will dry it for about 6 to 7, 8 days. And then we will move the bean to the aging cellar to age more than 6 months, sometimes to several years. And then we start the bean to bar process. So we will roast the bean and then do the winnowing to separate the cacao husk and the cacao nibs. Then we will grind the cacao nibs. After grinding it, you get the cacao liqueur. We do the tempering in the tempering machine. Then we will do the molding, which is we put the chocolate into the mold, and then after it gets firm, and then we demolding it. Then you get the chocolate bar or the chocolate pieces. So we can do the packaging, and it's done.
One key step is fermentation, which gives chocolate its aroma and bold flavor.
I would say the fermenting part is the most challenging part. So it's very hard to control the result of the fermentation. It's one of the most complicated fermentation in the world. Like we have a moisture and temperature control fermentation room. Also, we experiment with many different kinds of fermentation process, like with different yeast, with different bacteria, and sometimes with different fruits, and also different fermentation temperature or different fermentation time. That's what makes me different from the other chocolate maker. The award that I'm most proud of is the 2019 Best Dark Chocolate overall winners in the ICA International Chocolate Awards. That award might be the Oscar award in the chocolate world, and it's the highest award that we can get. Another award that I'm very proud of, we've won the flavored dark chocolate bar in 3 consecutive years, which is my 铁观音 tea chocolate dark chocolate bar.
Not only does Fu Wan make award-winning chocolate, they also run a chocolate-themed bed and breakfast right here at the farm.
We want people to come here and just relax and enjoy the inner beauty of the villa and the singing of the birds. We have a tree-to-bar guided tour so that people can come, and my colleague will bring you through the process from cacao pods to chocolate bar so that you can have a thorough understanding of how it's made. And also we have chocolate DIY, which is very popular in Taiwan for the parents and kids.
That all sounds fun, but I wonder if they serve chocolate for breakfast.
So we serve the very special chocolate breakfast, like a chocolate drink, sparkling cocoa juice, bread with chocolate. So you will have some very special chocolate breakfast for a special vacation.
So all that's left is for me to try these lovely chocolates. Wow, that is really, really good.